Good morning. It's pretty early in the morning. I'm sure you can already hear the sawmill running behind me. Chris and Thomas are already down there. We are behind, so it's all hands on deck. With the weather, not complaining, we need it to rain. It's actually drizzling a little bit right now. Between the weather and everybody being sick last week, we're behind. So we got 2 customers coming today. One's coming in less than an hour. That's a small order. It'll be okay. But anyways, Chris and Thomas are down there. I just took care of all the chickens and 2 ducks, so I'm gonna go and join them, and we're gonna knock this stuff out. We're gonna try to share what we can today. It's just gonna be a really busy day, so here we go.
Welcome back to Standard Living. We got all hands on deck today. Not all hands, we're still missing one.
Missing Mason.
We already got one little job knocked out. We already got one little job knocked out, and we're about to knock out some 1x6s. I got 48 of these to make real quick, and I've got to make 18 4x4s so this customer can pick up by 4 p.m. It's gonna be balls to the wall until we get this job done. Then I got another big order that's going out tomorrow. We're gonna be humping it. I didn't get shit done last week, so we got a lot of work to do today. Got 33 of those cut. I gotta get 48 total. This one's got a little bark on it. I think we'll throw some extras in there. This stuff is some pitchy wood right here. There's so much pitch in it. I got some of these older ones I cut up. They were, we ran those through the edger. There were some older boards, so they're dry. But these right here got a ton of pitch in them. Look at that. I bet that is flammable. But with the edger, look at that. Hardly no waste at all. We just got the 4 corners, or 4 edges, whatever you want to call them, floor slabs. This morning we picked through this slab pile here. That first order I had to get out was 1x6s, and he was making some furniture, so we wanted them dry. So I said, I told him I'd find the dry boards I have, which were some of this stuff here. So we dug that out and run that through the edger, made his boards. He was super happy with those because they kind of look rustic too. I got to get these stacked back up, but we're going to run all this stuff through the edger. We're going to make something out of every bit of this. But we got to get started this morning. Other than I hit the mill this morning with the Bobcat. I was actually looking at my tail lights. I got the glass on the ground. I was moving some of this stuff around and I was gonna back in right here. And when I swung around, I didn't even pay attention and I hit the mill and knocked it off the little stands. Anyway, I knocked it off on wood anyway. So I had to level this thing out first thing this morning after knocking the other job out. But yeah, kind of crushed my tail lights a little bit, but it'll be all right. I need 15 more of those 1x6s, and I think I'm gonna pull one of those logs right there. These only have to be 10 foot long. I also have to make 16 more 4x4s. So I already got 2 of them made, so it's 18 total. So we're gonna get that knocked out, but we're gonna have lunch first. We're gonna come down here and we're gonna blast through some more of this wood because we got a lot of stuff to get out this week. Oh yeah, yep. Got to change that blade out. That resharp I'm running there is starting to get a little dull. But we got some brand new Cooks, 8 degrees. Gonna drop one on here, get this stuff sliced up. Did I tell you those are the best blades ever? If you want to try them out for yourself, go to Cooks. I got a link in the description. Use my discount code for 10% off. Go try some out.
It's still going. You just cut that out though.
Yeah.
Something's wrong. I told you I saw something smoking from the. It smelled like something like rubber, but I was afraid it was a belt. That's what I was afraid of because it had a smell to it. I don't know. There was like a smell to it. I really thought it was the belt. Ooh, is it that hot? Look at the smoke coming off of it.
That's my skin burning. No idea. It's not working. It's hot now. this is a nice log on here. I wish I had a bunch of logs just like this, but 16 foot long. It's a nice, pretty log, straight, clean. But I gotta get 16 4x4s. I got 2 of them already cut, and I gotta do that. It is 2:39 right now. He's coming to pick this up at 4, so I gotta get those made real quick, and hopefully I can take a break afterwards.
So I just wanted to say, I was real excited. I was gonna jump ahead of Chris and cut these boards, right? He cut them. This, I thought would be my chainsaw. I'm left-handed. This is awkward to hold this button in. You just gotta hold it weird. So if anyone knows a cheap, cute little chainsaw,
a left-handed saw
that's left-handed, let me know. Leave it in the comments, because I want one.
All right, we got all those 4x4s made all 18 of them. Actually, we made 17, and I found one in the pile over there. But we used our little CC 40 volt cordless saw to cut those off the size. Actually made them a little bit over. You see that red line is actually 1 inch over already, but I cut them a little extra.
Let Dookie say bye.
Say bye, Dookie.
Say bye-bye.
He's upset. He didn't want to leave. See, I guess that customer will be here shortly to pick all this stuff up, the 4x4s and the 1x6s. Been a rough day. I went wide open. Feels like I really hadn't got as much done as I needed to. But I tell you one thing, this edger has been awesome. We have saved so much lumber from going into the scrap pile. I mean, look at this right here. Like this right here is the only thing going to the slab pile is the sparked slab stuff. All the boards that I can get boards out of, I've been stacking here and been running them through the edger. So that actually allowed me to fill this order all the way through. I only cut one log and it wasn't that big. I cut one log to get this stuff out of it. I actually made a 12 by 12 cant and got 24 boards, and all the rest of it was edged. All the rest of those boards came from just boards laying around here that need to be edged out and turned into lumber, like this stuff here. But yeah, this edger is a game changer. It really saves a lot of this lumber from going to the slab pile. And on top of all that, we always need stickers. So look at this right here. And we can take all this stuff here and we can use our stickers. I know people want the uniform 1 by 1 or 3/4 by 3/4, but I can take this stuff and run it back through the edger and cut it down. All this stuff is 1 inch, so it doesn't matter. As long as it's laying in a certain direction, the 1 inch direction, it's all gonna be the same. So it really doesn't matter. I will cut some of it skinnier. Some of this will go in the garbage pile. Yeah, that's a lot of stickers made right there, on top of all the 1 by 6s. But it's been a pretty productive Friday. Made a few dollars. Got customers picking up. It's always a good thing. As soon as he picks this up, we're gonna be on the 1 by 6 by 16s we gotta get out for Sunday. They were supposed to be for Saturday, but the customer said he'd come pick them up Sunday. That actually works out better. It gives us all day tomorrow to cut them, so we're not rushing so much tomorrow. But this is where I'm going to leave you for this video. You know, only 16% of our followers and subscribers have actually hit that notification bell. So hit that notification bell so you know there's new videos coming out.
And if you're not a subscriber, you should be.
Yeah, you should. As always, we appreciate you joining us. Check out our Facebook, Instagram, patrons, and TikTok. We'll see you on the next one.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.